Hi, I'm Derry France. This is VideoPad and I will show today how to add and animate the shaking effect in VideoPad. It can be used for your video or image, doesn't matter. Okay, let's start with video. I'm dragging, dropping. Okay, it's our video. And I did right click of my mouse, found effect, and add shaking effect. See, shake, clicking on it. Now I can see here that shaking can be horizontal, vertical, it can be rotation, percentage of rotation, and I can change the frequency of shaking. Okay, let it be 6, for example. Okay, so let's go to the very beginning of the video and let's animate. At the very beginning, for example, I want to have only horizontal shaking. Let's increase shaking by sliding those sliders, or you can directly change here the ratio and put the desired one using keyboard. Let it be 40, for example, and let's add our first keyframe. Then we see we have 15 seconds video. Okay, for example, after 5 seconds we want to remove horizontal shaking and add rotation. Oh, something like this. Don't forget to add keyframe. Okay, then we're moving forward, and at 11 seconds we want to remove rotation, shaking, and add vertical shaking and increase the frequency of shaking. Okay, let's add keyframe and see what we have. Jessie! Okay, and the same thing, let's remove our video. I'm deleting it from here. We can do for images. Let's drag and drop our image to timeline, and you see now its duration is half seconds, what is very small, not enough to see how the effect will work. So I am increasing it to 6 seconds, for example, and let's see. So I did right click of my mouse, choose effect, adding shaking effect. Everything is the same. Let's say from the very beginning I want to have horizontal shaking only, and then at the middle of time period I want to change to vertical shaking only. Okay, let's see how it works. I think it's nice. Okay, that's it. Thank you, and hope to see you soon. Bye.